I have booted into my vanillaDpup64 PuppyLInux, and I noticed that after install to an internal hard drive, you do not have this small applet called gatotray. Gatotray is very useful because it tells you about performance of CPU and RAM and temperature, and then it has a different color. You can see a little bit of red from below, and then green, and then you can right click on it, and then you can go into a preference, and then you can even customize the color to your liking. So that essentially replaces some of the function of conky, which I don't like to use because it takes up so much room. Because it does not come with a gatotray, what I've done is I downloaded F96CE4-4 PuppyLInux ISO. So I have it right here. And what we'll have to do is open up Puppy SFS files. So open this up. So just escape and just simply left click on it. And then do you want to mount this image? Yes, we do. And then go to puppy fosapup.sfs file folder and click it again. And we want to view contents, and then go to USR bin, and then we want to go to gatotray-bin64 right here. This is the file we want to copy to our root folder. So what we'll do is we'll simply left mouse click and drag into the startup folder, and then go ahead and copy. Close everything else, and then reboot.